How to delete watch history on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your watch history on your Facebook account. So first of all, just open your Facebook account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Facebook account, just simply click on the three dot menu icon from the right hand side of the screen. And over here just simply scroll down and go to the settings and privacy section. From there just simply tap on it, and after that just click on settings and just go to the settings for your account. And after that just simply scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the option called activity log under your activity section. So just simply click on activity log, and over here when you will scroll down you will be able to see the option called logged information. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply go to the search section and click on manage search. And over here just simply click on filters, and from the filters pop-up menu just simply click on categories, and over here you will be able to see the option called your search history. So just simply tap on it, and there you go. And here you will be able to see the watch history of your Facebook account. So in order to delete them, you need to click on the three dot icon right beside the watch history and simply click on delete. And you have to repeat the same process for all the watch history that you have made in the past. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to delete watch history on your Facebook account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.